Uploading your website to SiteGround is a simple process. You can do it using the Site Tools File Manager or through FTP. Here's how. Using File Manager in Site Tools, log into SiteGround. Visit the SiteGround website and log into your account. Access Site Tools. Go to the Websites tab and next to your domain, click on Site Tools. Go to File Manager. In the Site Tools dashboard, navigate to Site File Manager from the left-hand menu. Upload website files. Navigate to the public_HTML folder. Click the Upload button and select the files from your computer that you want to upload. Publish your website. After uploading, ensure all your files are in the right folder to make them accessible from your domain. Using FTP, set up FTP account. In Site Tools, go to Site FTP Accounts to create an FTP account. Use FTP client. Use an FTP client like FileZilla. Connect with the FTP credentials and upload the files to the public_HTML folder.